Hello and welcome. This video is meant to serve as a primer for ACEN peer evaluators participating in virtual site visits to introduce them to the technology, platforms, and resources they will be using. Your virtual site visit will be conducted in two virtual locations, meeting rooms and your private channel in Slack. Meeting rooms in GoToMeeting will be utilized for meeting with the program and will be prepared in advance by the ACEN. Links for the meeting rooms will be provided to you prior to the visit, and the team chair will work with the program to establish the agenda and establish which room will be used for which meeting. Each visit team will have access to two meeting rooms so that meetings can be held simultaneously. Make sure to alternate meeting rooms. Don't schedule two meetings using the same room back to back, so that attendees of the different meetings don't cross paths. Slack, an online messaging and collaboration tool, will serve as your home base between meetings. You can use your site visits channel to send messages to the other members of your team or get support from the ACEN staff if needed. Additionally, Slack can also be used for voice and video calls to and from your teammates and/or the ACEN staff. With the Slack app and GoToMeeting app being separate from not requiring a browser window, you can tile them over your screen, you can switch back and forth between them, as well as any relevant documents and the agenda. The day before your visit, please make sure Slack and GoToMeeting are installed on your computer. Take the time to open each program and log in using the credentials that will be provided to you by the ACEN. Where possible, select options like Remember Me on this computer so you won't have to enter your login information again when it's time for the visit. We recommend downloading the standalone Slack application as it increases efficiency of the workflow during the site visit and does not require being open in a browser tab, which can limit computer resources. We also recommend downloading the standalone GoToMeeting application. The instructions and video walkthrough for doing so can be found here. When it's time to start a meeting, simply click on the link provided to enter the meeting room. Doing so will open a browser tab for GoToMeeting, and having already installed the GoToMeeting app, it will prompt you to open the GoToMeeting opener. One team member will have been designated as the organizer or host for each meeting room. That member will need to join first. For the organizer, when you have arrived at this screen, click Sign In the upper right-hand corner. So we'll open the Sign In dialog. You'll then enter the credentials provided to you by the ACEN. Clicking OK, I'm ready will enter you into the meeting. Once the organizer has entered the meeting, other attendees, including those from the program, can join using the same link and password. As the organizer, you have the ability to designate someone else in the meeting as the presenter. This allows them to share their screen with the group, which may help the program to present their documents. Find this option by right-clicking on someone in the attendees list and choosing Make Presenter. It will ask you to verify the presenter change. You can click Yes. And now you can see the screen being presented. Only one person can be the presenter at a time, so you may need to pass this permission around if different people need to share their screens throughout the meeting. Open the Slack app, click Sign In, designate the workspace as provided. Slack provides a space separate from the program for your team to talk, collect your thoughts, or work on the site visit report. The channel for your visit will contain all of your team members as well as an ACEN staff member. The staff member will not be reading all of your messages, but is on hand in case you need support. If you need them, tag them in your message by preceding their name with the @ symbol, for example, @ACEN. They'll respond quickly to assist you. To communicate with another teammate directly, click on their name and choose Message for text or Call for voice video. Once you've started a call, you can add additional members if the team would all like to speak together, or if you'd like to consult the ACEN staff about something. As seen here.
And now communicate.
For non-technical support questions, such as questions about the standards and criteria, you can also tag an ACEN director in your Slack channel. Unlike our tech support, they aren't members of your channel by default, but by tagging them you will be prompted to add them to your channel. Once they've joined, they can help you with any questions you have. And this concludes the general introduction and walkthrough to the technology platform and resources that will be used by ACEN peer evaluators during a virtual site visit. Of course, if you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to reach out by emailing info@acenursing.org. Thank you, and have a wonderful rest of your day.